Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, our praise and thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us blessing so we can have this our present today and title characterization of Agotivirus conferring hypovirulence in the pathogenic fungus Botrytis today. So the Honorable Dr. Anton Migurin SP, MP, and all my friends. So this is our unit journal. Next.
Okay. First introduction. The study focused on the molecular and morphological characterization of a Botrytis virus isolate from the phytopathogenic fungi Botrytis a significant pathogen in variant plant species. These RNA myconvirus are classified into 7 families, namely Totiviridae, Chrysophyridae, Megabirnaviridae, Partiviridae, Quadriviridae, Rheophyridae, and Endopharidae. The initial virus was identified as a strain of Bipolaris majus. Botrytis 1 or BMBRV1, which primarily infects Bipolaris majus, a different fungi species known for its role in causing disease in crop-like maize. The particular strain designated as BMBRV1 BDA W220 FPB, spherical viral particle with a diameter of approximately 37 nanometers composed of various structural proteins. The presence of BMBRV1 BDA W220 in the Botrytis has significant implications for fungi biology. The virus not only affects the growth and development of the fungi, but also induces hypervirulence, meaning it reduces the pathogenicity of the fungi host. This reduction in virulence could have potential application in biological cancer, as the virus may weaken the ability of B. Botrytis to cause disease in plants. Thus, in understanding the molecular and morphological feature of BMBRV1 BDAW220 provides valuable insight into virus-host interaction and open the door to potential strategy for managing fungal infection in agriculture.
So there's also a method next. So there's a 6 strands of Botrytis where utilization including strands EW2022, which was isolated from Wart disease, the stem tissue of pear of Hubei, China, and strands GNT1111 known for its high virulence isolates from Sanki and used as control. So fungal isolates were obtained from infected pear fruits exhibiting symptoms of stem was disease. So there's a 6 strain that we at the screens. So this isolate process involved culturing the samples on potato disorders agar, as we know as PDA, plants which provides a nutrient-rich environment for fungal growth. So the plants were incubated at 28 degrees for 5 to 7 days to promote the development and distinct fungal colonies, which were then examined for morphological characteristics to identify the strains. So, and besides extraction and purification of dsRNA, double-strand RNA or dsRNA was extracted from the cultural fungal strains. Approximately 0.5 grams of fresh mycelium was harvested and grown in liquid nitrogen. Patented method using silica columns and epiphysiolysis solution containing sodium or SDS. Jadi kita menggunakan yang namanya silika, yang mana berisikan dari enzim sukrosa tersebut. Nah, di sini discontaminating DNA and single-strand RNA followed by electrophoresis to confirm its quality. Additionally, segments of the sRNA were extracted from the gel, purified using a DNA gel extraction kit and stored in deep street water at 80 derajat Celcius. Next. Nah, selanjutnya adalah cDNA, synthesis, and molecular colony. Nah, one microgram of the sRNA was combined with random hexamer primers and reverse transcription to create first strand cDNA. Nah, yang kedua ini adalah synthesis, yaitu menghasilkan double strand cDNA seperti tali yang dikodekan dengan PMD18T, di mana this is the factor was transformed into completed E, Escherichia coli. Nah, yang mana essential for further genetic analysis. Dan selanjutnya itu adalah virion purification. Nah, the vertical transmission of the microvirus single conidium substance from strand EW2220. Next. Nah, di sini terdapat 120 strains di 120 substrains yang akan diuji. Nah, for horizontal transmission, we cultured the donor strains EW220 with two virus-free reception strains, yaitu adalah GNT111 and EW220-64 on PDA plants, allowing for happy anastomosis. So, dengan menginkubasi selama 5 hari di 25 derajat Celcius. So these descriptions were the analysis for microvirus content and medical property, providing valuable insights into the mechanism of viral transmission in fungal host. Dan terakhir itulah biological testing, di mana biological testing we evaluated the mycelial growth rate, colony morphology, and virulence of both virus infected strains. Yang dimana ada beberapa strain tadi, ada W20, 64, dan 64 T1, T2, serta T3. Nah, dimana di measures misalnya growth on the first PDA plants at di 28 derajat Celcius using 6 replication for each strain. To access virulence, we inoculate 12 1-year-old shoots from 5 years old pear plants with colonies agar fruits. Dan kita pantau for once as cancer symptoms over at 60-day period. And the last, additionally, we test pathogenicity on detected pear fruits, measuring lesion size after 4 days of incubation at 20x degrees using an inoculated book as a control. Dan kita menggunakan di sini uji statistik dengan menggunakan ANOVA, yang dimana menggunakan with p-value less than 0.05, indicating notable impact of viral infection on their biological property.
Okay, next result. And first, biological characteristic of strain EW220 and the detection of the sRNA. Strain EW220, which was cultured on PDA plants at 28 degrees Celsius in the dark, exhibits abnormal growth. The Michelia grow slowly and exhibit a few aerial height for the figure A. The developing colonies covered the entire disk at 10 dpi. In contrast, the virus-free strain GNT111 grow rapidly and develop numerous heights. The colony of strain GNT111 covered the entire culture disk at 3 dpi. The growth rate of the strain EW220 was only 30% of the strain GNT111. Next, the genetic analysis of the sRNA. Based on the dsG-DNA library, the 7.5 kb dsRNA generate 23 random fragments with lengths ranging from 800 until 2200 biosphere. Thus, analysis of this fragment was highly similar to segment 1 of BMBRV1. The 7 kb dsRNA generate a total of 18 random fragments with lengths ranging from 30 biosphere. The cDNA length of DSRE1 was 9 with a GC content of 59.5%. Next, BLAST search refers that the dsRNA1 sequence. BLAST analysis establishing 30% to 99% identity. Okay, next, phylogenetic analysis of the dsRNA virus. Multiple amino acid element of the predicate RDRP inside of the excitants of the motifs in BMBRV1 until BDA W220 and other member of the family Bothibirnaviridae. For the figure A, the phylogenetic tree was constructed based on the amino acid sequence of RDRP and coded by member of the families, as well as some unsigned dsRNA virus. The result indicates that the member of the family Bothibirnaviridae group into two distinct clusters. Okay, next. Virus particle. Virus particles were purified from the mycelia of strain EW220 using sucrose gradient 10 until 50% sucrose gradient. Agarose gel electrophoresis of the nucleic acid extract from the sucrose fraction shows that the dsRNA segments were mostly recovered from the 40% fraction. To examine the morphology of the viral particle of BMBRV1 until BDE W220, the fraction containing viral dsRNA was centrifuged and resuspended. The viral particles were isometric and approximately 37 nm in diameter as offers under 10. For the next, vertical and horizontal transmission. sRNA received the strand EW220 until 65 was not affected by BMBRV1 BDE W220, where other harbored the sRNA segment. These results reflect that BMBRV1 BDE W220 instead was vertically transmitted to the Conidia substrate. Furthermore, the dsRNA with strand GNT111 and were used as the recipe in horizontal transmission. For the last, influence of BDBRV1 on the biological properties of Bidothidae. Biological assessment of the two BMBRV1 BDE W223 and for BMBRV1 BDE W220 infect strains, including colony morphology, growth rate, and virulence, was performed. On PDA plates, the colonies of strain GNT111 and EW220-65 as high with radial growth and thick height. Compared of strain GNT111 and EW220-64, the derived strain grows slab of PDA at 28 degrees Celsius and form abnormally with compact colonies.
So for our explanation, we conclude that this journal presents the first molecular and morphological characterization of Bothibirnaviridae, especially BRV1 BDE W220 is selected from the pathogenic Fungus B.idia. So sequential analysis confirmed as a strain of BBMRFV1, which typically infects B. mavis. Notably, the virus produces spherical variants and essential proteins, including a catpol's fusion protein and a hepatical protein. So our findings suggest that BRV1 until BDEW220 confers hypovirulence to B.idia, affecting its growth and virulence. Interestingly, the occurrence of this virus into distinct fungal species raises questions about potential horizontal transmission mechanism. It is by vegetative permeability observed in different strains. So this research underscores the complexity of microvirus interaction in the nature and emphasizes the need for further studies and explore possible insect vector and the broader ecological implication of such cross infection in fungal pathogen. Next. So I think that's all. We could tell you about our this journal. So we say sorry for there's any mistakes as long as our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.